welcome back to Jen's Hangout. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, I love you guys so much. You know that. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Say, hi, how's it going? And what do we got today? A very small Temu Tuesday. So, I ordered a couple of coats, and I don't know if my stickers are in here or not, because I ordered those too. I want to say it is just, okay, come on, where's that hold? I want to say it's just my coats that I ordered. I have a really nice felt coat that I got last year at the end of, well, this year, but it was at the end of the season, so I didn't use it. But I need something lighter, if that makes sense. Aha! Okay. So, and then I got some really funny stickers. I'll show you guys the stickers really fast. I do not need to show you that many. But anyway, you can get the gist of what they are about. They're all pickles. I'm throwing stickers literally everywhere. Literally everywhere. Okay. So, I don't want to lose any more of those. So first thing is first. I got this one. This one is, I got men's coats because I like them better. They're roomier. They tend to fit better. You can layer over them generally. This is that polyester kind of fabric, but it is like a hoodie. So give me a second, I'll try it off. Okay, so here you go. It goes down. I mean, sleeves are always long on me, so I always end up rolling them. So that's not so bad. And then it's got pockets, but it's really big, so I'll be able to really, layer under it. And it's a hoodie, and it covers my bum. So I'll try on the other one. This one is a regular hoodie. There's this, I'll have to see if that's the pockets, but it has a zipper pockets on either side. They might be. Yeah, they might be. But it's fleece lined on the inside. And then with the hood. So, and I bought them huge. This one is a 7. I think they're both 7Xs. So, yeah, they're both 7Xs. So absolutely ginormous. Man, I really did toss pickle. Oops. Avalanche. Okay, I really did drop pickle stickers everywhere. Pickle stickers. Oh, goodness. I made a mess. Pickle stickers. Anyway, so I'm excited for these. I mean, this one is already really warm. It's kind of like a army green color. So, because you guys know me and my green. But let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys later.